sometimes when you schedule a recurring session, you don't want to rely only on the email invitations or calendar invites to let your users know how to get into the session, but you might want to send them a list of all the different links that or the different dates and times when that session occurs. And you can do that by clicking into your account center. When you create a new meeting, make sure to select advanced options, give the session a title, then set the meeting as recurring. You can choose whether you want to reuse the same session URL or whether you want to create a new session for each. And then you now have the new option of making it visible on a public page for this recurring session. And it shows you where this recurring public session is going, this recurring session public page is going to be published. So let's assume it repeats every day and it repeats 5 times. Then I can still choose if I want to invite people and go through all the other different settings that I might usually go through. And then I click Save, Add to Schedule. The meeting is saved. And you can now see that the meeting has been added 5 times because it's going to happen 5 times. And if I wanted to check out the public page, I click over here into Edit, and I can pull out this session link. Just right click and copy the link address. And if we look at this page, we will now see a public schedule of all the meetings, all the future meetings in this particular session. So you can send this link out to all of your attendees and tell them that this, for example, is the English course 101 and we meet 5 times in this course and you're required to attend 5 times. You can then set up your own email or publish that link wherever you want. Of course, if you add branding, then this will also be styled, or you could iframe this in your LMS. There's really a lot of options of how you might want to use this page. So as always, we look forward to seeing what you're going to do with this feature, and thanks for watching. See you next time.